How to edit a YouTube video after posting without deleting it and losing views. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube Studio. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Content. After you click on Content, on the left side, you'll find all your videos in here. Click on the video and you'll find Details. Click on Details. Then on the left side, scroll down and click on Editor. After you click on Editor, in here you'll find different options to edit. You can trim and cut. You can simply click on it and then trim as you want. After that, you can also blur some part of your videos if you want by pressing on Face Blur or Custom Blur. You can also click on Audio and then add new audio track to your video. Another thing what you can do is end screen. Click on end screen and you'll be able to apply template, video, playlist, subscribe channel, and links as well. And if you click on info cards, you will be able to add cards on your videos. You can simply select it and then add cards as you want. After you're done editing, in here you can simply press on save and it will be saved. This is how to edit a YouTube video after posting without deleting it or losing views. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.